What's going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy Diaz Dan. I'm back again with another review for you guys. We are about to get into this detailed review and an arm feed, so stay tuned for the arm feed at the end of the video. Y'all know how I do. Take a look. We're going to get straight into it. Jordan Red box. You guys already know how the Levi's collab comes. Alright, let's take a look at the size tag. Size tag reached Air Jordan 4 Retro Levi's NRG. The colorway is black, black, black. Retails $225. These released this weekend, June 30th. I got these from Kick Square. Big shout out to Kick Square. They gave me a nice little coupon code and stuff like that where I got them for a real nice price. Big shout out to them. Let's open up the box. As you open up the box, you guys already know, does come with the Levi's card. If you want to read that, you can pause the video and read it. Does have Levi's writing on the paper. Let's open it up. Take a look. The Air Jordan 4 Levi's black pair. Finally got the black pair. I just like the Levi's collab. I love denim. You know, I just think it's a dope concept. All around, Jordan Brand did their thing with these. We're going to start off with this one right here. Take a look. As you guys can see off the jump, you do got the Levi's tag. It does have the Levi's and Stratus and Company right here. On this side, you got the Jumpman. Alright, so starting off in the front, you got your black in the front of the toe. You do got the wax laces. Take a look at the wax laces. The wax laces do give it a nice pop. Lace tips do come with the brown lace tips like the white pair. Of course, on the tongue, you got your patch, which is size Air Jordan 4. And of course, you got the flight below the Jumpman. Let's take a look at the midsole. Midsole, of course, they did hit us with the denim that goes around the shoe. I like that a lot. Air bubble unit clear with the black inside. Of course, you got your wing right there in black. Eyelids, honeycomb eyelids right there. You can see they're blacked out. Alright, let's take a look at the medial side of the shoe. Same as the lateral. Got your denim upper. You got your Levi's on this shoe right here in red. And you got your Jumpman in this inner sole in red. Levi's in this one. Jumpman in this one. That's a dope touch with a whole black inner sole, sock liner in black. Back of the tongues, you do got your Air Jordan patch back there with the Levi's tag. Back of the shoe, you got your embossed Jumpman. Really nice. I like that also, man. The shoe got some nice quality materials on it. You know, look at that bottom. You got your gum bottom, with your hits of red. And your white Jumpman right there. Very fresh, man. That gum bottom just sets off the shoe with the black. Yeah, that's basically it. I want to know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you guys gonna cop, you guys gonna pass. Like I said, these released this Saturday. As for sizing on this shoe, I do recommend you go true to size, man. I got all of them now. I do got the white pair. Take a look. Got the white pair. Love these. If you guys didn't see the video, I will leave the link in the description where you guys can go check out the video for these. Do got the black pair. And of course, I do got my all-time favorite, the denim pair. But let me know which one you guys like best. You guys like the white pair, the denim pair, or the black pair? Which one's your fave out of the three? Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Also click that notification bell so you guys can get notified when I post videos like these. Alright, we're about to get into this on feet. It's your boy Diaz Dan, man, and I'm gone.
Yeah. I can show you the way if you really need me to. You know, we all tryna shine, we all tryna eat, but ain't nobody tryna get their money right first. And that's rule number one. Never forget it. Lord, I count up that money and stack it. I press to work and then bag it. What you know about trapping? Folks go adult classes, still learn mathematics. Young nigga learn how to stack it. I count up that money and stack it. I count up that money and stack it. I count up that money and stack it. I press to work and then bag it. What you know about trapping? Folks go adult classes, still learn mathematics. Young nigga learn how to stack it. I count up that money and stack it. Count it up, count it up. Back then I was dub. Now these bitches showing love. Where was y'all when I was young? Where was y'all when I ain't had shit? Now them honeys sitting in my mattress. For the money it get tragic. I come from the home of the savage. I come from the heart of the streets. Where them cases the hardest to beat. Yeah, there's niggas depending on me. Yeah, my family depending on me. I come from the heart of the streets. Where them cases the hardest to beat. Yeah, there's niggas depending on me. Yeah, my family depending on me. Yeah. So I count up that money and stack it. I press to work and then bag it. What you know about trapping? Folks go adult classes, still learn mathematics. Young nigga learn how to stack it. I count up that money and stack it. I count up that money and stack it. I count up that money and stack it. I press to work and then bag it. What you know about trapping? Folks go adult classes, still learn mathematics. Young nigga learn how to stack it. I count up that money and stack it. Back then I was worthless, no clothes, I was shirtless. Now I eat till my stomach be hurting. I was walking out 10 when I swerving. I count up that money, them hundreds. I'm married to money, I'm cuffing. My pockets feeling like a muffin. Compress it then wrap it in doubles. I hope the Lord give us forgiving, cause robbing wasn't my intentions. I was focused on a mission, either get it or sit on them benches. We used to be losers, we winning now. Feel like I came up in a minute now. My family the reason I get it now. Came up from nothing, I rerock the digits now.